Hey ladies, it's Alyssa again. I hope everyone's having a great week. Today I'm going to show you how to create a mohawk using my Cliphair extension, so stay tuned if you want to check that out. For this style, you're going to avoid putting hair extensions on the sides of your head and focus them all in the back. I'll be using 4 wefts, as you can see, to fill in this back area and create some length in body. Everyone's head shape is different, so if you feel like you need to use some of the extensions you would typically use on the sides in the back for this style, you can go ahead and do that because you don't want them to be so wide that you feel like they're going to be hard to cover up. The 4 extensions I put in gave me some nice body and length, so now I'm going to create a section in the center of my hair at the top. It's going to be about as wide as the center of one eyebrow to the other, and you want to pin that up out of your way. Now I'm tying off the rest of my hair, mostly just to get it out of my way, so don't worry about making that too neat. You can use a hair tie or a clip to do so. My hair is naturally very straight, so I just tease this section to give it a little texture, and I'm going to begin doing a cornrow style braid or a box braid if you've heard of either. And what you do for this is you grab 3 strands, and then you always are putting the center section over the outside sections and adding hair into each section as you go. You want to loosen the braid a bit, so I'm doing this by doing a pinch and pull technique to just puff it out and give it a little bit more texture. And then I'm grabbing that back of the braid and just pushing that forward, and I'm going to put some bobby pins in this area so that it has a little extra height. This is a cool technique even if you want to just leave your hair down or wear it in a ponytail. It just adds a little sass to a basic style. I removed the ponytail from that hair that I was keeping out of the way, and now I'm going to create 2 ponytails out of that section, one above the other. The next step is another fun technique, so you're going to take that top ponytail, split it into 2 sections, and start doing a twist out of the 2. And then you're going to see me doing the pinch and pull method to puff that out a bit and wrap that up until it becomes a narrow bun that you're going to be pinning off with some bobby pins to start creating the back of the mohawk. Remember to pin in any loose ends. And then you want to take that bottom ponytail, do the twist method with that, and then pinch and pull it to puff it out and create some texture. And then wrap that up and tuck in the ends and pin that off with some bobby pins, and you've created the bottom of the mohawk. I'm just finishing it off with some detail work because you don't want it to be too wide. You want it to be kind of tucked into the center of your head to give it that mohawk feel from both sides and to be even. So I'm just balancing that out. I hope you guys like this look and have fun playing with it, and I'll see you next time.